So this is a WK2 diesel. This is the EGR unit here on this end, EGR exhaust gas recirculation valve. This is the cooler. This is some other part. These do fail internally, but not very common. What's most common on these is the O-ring under here fails. I'll show you in a minute where they go. And then they start leaking coolant out. What we have had is shops, including techs in my own team, who have misquoted or misdiagnosed this and quoted an EGR cooler. You don't usually need an EGR cooler. When these fail, they fill up the oil, the exhaust system with coolant. So these O-rings fail. You need these big fat green ones from Jeep. Don't muck around with anything that's not genuine. And they go on there, just under that coolant stain. And then there's these weird looking cups that also come with their own O-ring that then the EGR locks into, and then these lock into the bracket on the side of the engine. So you can get away with, in most cases, replacing 2 of these and 2 of these, and not that at 3.5 grand. So on the engine, that's where those little chrome cups sit. It's pretty self-explanatory.